Hello friend and welcome to this free SEO and content management professional training course. Well, this is a PowerPoint presentation for our website Onlineseoblog where we provide free SEO and content management training from beginner level to advanced. Well, about myself, so my name is Jatin Shrivastava, one of the managing member of Onlineseoblog, where we believe in learning and implementing SEO concepts. Now put a little emphasis here. Learn and implement. We will learn and implement SEO skills. Means I'm not a pro or expert in this field. Rather, I would like to say myself as a learner who believes in learning, sharing, and implementing the concepts. And in the result, I get expansion of my own knowledge. Well, before going in depth what we provide, let me give you an overview how I started this platform. So I basically get trained from a MNC company where we used to handle the SEO or digital marketing of various e-commerce websites. After that, maybe I worked there a year, and then I took a little break from my career, and it affected negative to me. All my knowledge which I have acquired from that 1 year career goes in vain because I didn't implemented it practically for the next 1 year, and there are so many updates that came during that period of time that I was outdated. And that is what I realized when I worked as a trainer. When I worked as a trainer in SEO training institutes, then I realized, man, I am an outdated person. There's been 1 year and there's so much gap. There's so many updates, so many new algorithms have came within this 1 year that I seriously need to upgrade myself. Then I started this platform and learn and implement SEO knowledge. Now, why to select us? There are so many platforms available which you can get paid training in SEO, digital marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and others. Now, why to select us? First point I would like to put here is time management. So this is an online platform. All the lectures have been sorted. The platform is available 24/7. You can easily manage your time and learn in your free time. Second factor involved accountability. We took 100% accountability of our quality content which we derived from trusted sources like Neil Patel blog, Moz, Search Engine Journal, and others. Then comes intellectual curiosity. Now this is something which we want from your side. Your intellect mind to acquire the knowledge and then provide us the feedback of how we can improve. Then comes integrity. So this is on us. We will be completely honest with a vision of providing free SEO and content management training via different platforms like from our website, from YouTube videos, from social media platforms. Then our vision. So our vision is to provide a one-stop solution to all your digital marketing needs, whether it is SEO, whether it is SMO, whether it is AdWords, whether it is affiliate marketing. Everything need to be on our platform. This is our vision. And then learn and implement is on you people. You people need to promise that whatever you learn from us, you are going to implement it practically. Otherwise, as I have quoted earlier, that 1 year gap in my career have resulted me negatively and I lost all my knowledge. Learn and implement should be there. Then I have made a small infographic presentation to show you the difference between paid institutes and online SEO blog. First parameter is the fees. There is a big fees. So this is the fees of SEO only. That is around 15k to 20k, and we are giving it for free. Then ease of learning, time management would be there, accountability we are taking it. You need to visit the institutes daily in a particular time frame. Anytime, man, anytime you can access the website. Support would be there. You just need to drop us an email. You just need to drop us a Facebook message and we would be in contact. Doubt session would be there. Any doubt, anytime, just drop us an email. Syllabus. Syllabus is prepared comprehensively by taking the trusted sources into confidence like Neil Patel, MOZ, Search Engine Journal. Approach, theory plus practical. If you browse our Facebook group, where we have pasted not only the theoretical part, but I have also provided some assignments to bring some practical touch in the knowledge. Time limit. We are here for lifetime. They are just providing it for a short duration of 1 or 2 months. So this is a very short duration through which we can only grab the theoretical part. That's not too much perfect, okay? So that would be limited, which you will get from 1 or 2 months. But we are here lifetime, providing you support, providing you education, clearing your doubts. Anytime, just drop us a message or email us. Now, what is digital marketing? So digital marketing is a very vast field where it covers the search engine optimization, social media referrals, email list, Google AdWords, advertisement. But we are currently focusing on 3 aspects here. SEO, that is search engine optimization to increase the visibility of a website. SMO, social media optimization to increase the brand awareness. Content marketing, in order to create, how to create a content, how to publish it, and how to distribute content. Yeah, this is possible. This sounds interesting. What if we learn and earn? This sounds great. Now all you need to do is to do a niche research. Before learning SEO, do a niche research where you would like to implement the knowledge. For example, what is meant by niche? So to implement my SEO knowledge, my niche research was to create a training portal where I can teach you people about SEO and I can learn the SEO as well. Okay, so your niche could be, for example, you are a good blogger. You have a good sense of knowledge of fashion products. So create a blog, create a website, list the fashion products, list the articles on there, list the images on there, and do the SEO which we teach you here. You just need to check your niche. Then what is the demand or traffic you will receive, your competitors, and what's the budget. Then it all up to SEO to increase your online presence, to hit the target market, to create awareness regarding social media, and in the end you will get high returns. Now, benefit of digital marketing, personal branding would be there. Entrepreneur, you would be an entrepreneur. You need to work under someone, under some rules and restrictions. You can create your own rules, you can break your own rules anytime you like. Then get easily employed in any digital marketing agency. For example, you were able to rank your fashion blog, then I can promise you, you will get easily employed by a big company like Google as well. Then if you get employed, then there would be higher return, much higher return. Then who can learn digital marketing? Well, before going through this slide, I would like to ask you people, why you want to learn? Do you really want to learn or just following others? If your answer is, I want to pursue digital marketing as a passion, I have zeal, enthusiasm to learn digital marketing, then yes, digital marketing is for you. I am from CSE background and quite weak in coding, but I have some basic knowledge of coding. Yes, digital marketing is for you. Education background, I am metric pass, man. I'm not able to get a job, man. Create a job. Don't just follow others to other entrepreneur. Be an entrepreneur. Create your own jobs. Then comes the last point, which is devices required. You just need a simple internet connection to get started, to learn digital marketing, to implement the knowledge. Now, how to learn digital marketing? Guidance, we are here to provide you guidance 24/7. But to learn digital marketing, books will not help. Just like I said, a 1 year gap make me outdated, such that these books are not regularly updated. Paid training, maybe you can go with the paid training, but I will prefer to go through the internet. Everything is available on the internet, just you need to do is a simple Google search. And that too you need not to do. Just browse the website. Just browse our lectures that are available on Facebook and LinkedIn group. Step by step we have sorted the lectures and learn SEO. Then this is a simple ladder of success that you can use in order to achieve success. How you need to achieve the success is to first of all create a blog. Do a niche research and create a blog. Create profiles on various social media, niche blog, forum, etc. Learn and implement the knowledge. This is very necessary. Then if you are implementing the SEO skills there, the traffic would gather automatically, which will result in revenue boost. Now this is the ultimate goal which we need to achieve. Now what we offer. So our syllabus is basically categorized into 5 portions. First one is how to create a website. Second is SEO, how to do its SEO. How to write effective contents. Is there any technicalities which are involved around SEO? How to do a SEO audit. How to check whether my website is SEO friendly or not. We're going to cover each and everything possible. Now pick up the topics is how to create a website. How to build a strong website via on-page SEO factor. Well, there are 2 types of SEO. On-page, which work on the website. Off-page, which work off the website. Means the promotional approach would be there. Then the technical terms, which will make you interview ready. Technical SEO. It's not the basic SEO knowledge you would be gathering. There will be advanced SEO knowledge as well. Yoast readability. How to write quality content, SEO friendly content to rank it higher. How to manage your content. How to do its marketing. How to attract target audience. How to check whether my website is SEO auditable or not. Whether my website is SEO friendly or not. Then, as I have promised, practical SEO would be there on social media groups. SMO and AdWords is something that we will cover in the upcoming lectures. Now this is a content share where you can see we are majorly focusing on SEO and readability analysis. Then there are some of the terms including the WordPress, how to create a website, technical SEO, technical terms and SEO audit, which we are covering side by side. And soon we will add the AdWords, SMO, affiliate marketing too here. Then how online SEO blog can help. We provide free SEO and content writing training. Browse the website and learn. Join in social media groups and stay connected. Get WhatsApp, email support, daily assignment for ₹2,000 only. That too is not mandatory for you to pay this much rupees as well. If you show your enthusiasm, zeal, passion to learn, I will provide you this support as well for free. Just submit the assignments regularly. Ask me questions related to the content which I have uploaded. I will not ask you to pay this. You can forget this as well. Just learn and implement. Thank you so much for watching.